So welcome to another episode of Cooking with Skinny. Your boy DJ Skinny in the building. So I'm gonna be cooking chicken birria taco or chicken birria taco. You gotta roll your tongue with it. Double R's. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Chicken birria taco, the English way. So this traditional Mexican taco recipe is normally made from mutton or goat or beef, but I've never tried it with chicken before. So I'm gonna be doing it with chicken. So for the sauce, as always, I'm gonna show you guys my ingredients for the sauce. I have garlic, thyme, tomato, red bell pepper, and one chopped up carrot, tomato sauce, and I'm probably gonna use one or two of this. This is chipotle peppers. Now I'm gonna use the whole can. And then to start the show, I have chicken thighs. So when making this dish with chicken, you want to make sure you're using chicken thighs and not chicken breasts. So I washed and cleaned this with vinegar and lime, and then I left a couple of the fat on it, which is probably going to be good for the taco. And then I have my peppers over here that I'm boiling. This is my chili peppers. Probably going to take this off another minute or so. And then, yeah, we're gonna season up the chicken right now. These are chicken thighs. I probably have like 8 to 10 pieces. I'm gonna do some garlic powder, smoked paprika. I wanna make sure this is well seasoned. I have some black pepper. Then I love this sauce. This is mushroom sauce. Mushroom powder, not mushroom sauce. A little bit of cumin. Some chicken seasoning. Some 21 seasoning that I got from Trader Joe's. Gonna mix all of this together. Get all those flavors in. And I'm gonna let this sit for probably like half an hour, 30 minutes or so. And then we are gonna make our sauce. So now we're gonna make the sauce for the taco. What I'm gonna do is put in my tomato, my red bell pepper. I can't even talk today. Red bell pepper with my chopped up carrot. Then my garlic, and then my thyme. And then I'm only gonna do 1 or 2 of the chipotle pepper, because I don't want to make it too hot, so I'm only gonna do 2. Then can of tomato sauce, and then the chili peppers that was boiling for like 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna put in here along with some of the water. And when I chopped up these peppers, I took the seeds out because I don't want it to be too hot. That was in it. I think that's good. Blend this bad boy up. Okay, so sauce is all done. Smell rich and nice. Look at that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain it because I want it to be smooth. So I'm gonna strain this. I want it as smooth as possible. Like I taste it, and it's hot, but it's not too hot. All the flavors are there from the garlic, the thyme, the carrot, all of that. So you want this as smooth as possible. Okay, this is gonna be the sauce for the taco. Now that everything is all smooth, my next step now is gonna braise those chicken breasts, like 2 or 3 minutes on each side, and then put the sauce in, and then we can make our taco. All right, so our next step is to braise these chicken thighs on each side, so I have some oil on the pot. The next step is to pour the sauce in that we made earlier. Your stove in between low and medium. And yeah, just let this simmer for like 30-35 minutes. After about, I want to say 30-35 minutes, chicken is pretty much done. Sauce is good, smells good, look good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the chicken out and I'm gonna shred the chicken. So I'm gonna take out all the chunk of the chicken. I'm just gonna shred. Take 2 forks and just shred. I'm not even like trying right now. Like I'm barely touching it, and as you can see, I'm just ripping, shredding it apart, man. Tender, smells good, look good. All the flavors are there. All right, so I have my flat top, got some onion, parsley, corn tortilla, got my chicken over there, got my mozzarella, got some Mexican cheese. So first, I'm gonna dip it into some sauce on both sides. Put it down on the flat top. Put some cheese. Put a little bit of chicken. I should put a lot more cheese in this. Put some onions. I'm gonna put some with onions and without onions. So